Could this be the ultimate business model for 2020? Your key to a fantastic life and the easiest way to make money online. My friend Sean and I were catching up last week, and during our conversation, he told me about this system he just starting using that has to be the easiest way to get rich online. I know that sounds like a big hype, a promise that sounds too much like an easy button, and a bit unbelievable, and that's okay. But in my humble opinion, this new opportunity is the most unique and amazing online business model I've ever seen. And I run with some pretty big dudes. I've seen them all. In fact, the more he explained it to me, I truly believe deep down in my heart and soul, this could make your 2020 the most profitable year ever. I'm not kidding when I say, if you want to escape the rat race and finally start living the life you've always dreamed of, and darn well deserve, then this is the business model you need to start immediately. This is truly an unusual new way to make a lot of money online, very quickly, and without all the usual hassles and frustrations that come along with traditional internet marketing. For example, this new way to make money online is so simple. No VSLs. No webinars. No complicated sales funnels. No Infusionsoft. No podcasting. No blogging. No copywriting. No merchant accounts. No videos. No creating products or services. No domain. Best of all, no working your ass off around the clock in front of your computer all day, while your life passes you by. The inner circle of perpetual players are earning between $3,000 and $15,000+ a month with these easy subscription businesses. Right now. Today. During our conversation, Sean showed me what they are doing, and my mind was blown. This really is the simplest, fastest, easiest way to achieve financial freedom online. Kind of made me wish I'd thought of it. They're making a ton of cash with this right now. And they're literally only investing an hour or two per day into it. The rest of the time, they're doing more important stuff, like having fun with their friends and family, traveling, and playing video games. So look, if it sounds like I'm excited about this new business model, that's because I am. I really think this could change your life, so please listen to what this renegade Netflix scientist has to say. I don't want you to miss this. I want you to be there. I'm convinced this is the hottest lifestyle business on earth. So click the link here to attend right now. And it involves a clever Netflix loophole that may change your life. Oh yeah, by the way, this new business is fast and simple to start. Takes less than 15 minutes to set up and around 30 minutes a day of your time daily to make a 5-figure income. Plus, it's simple and fun to run. You'd be silly to miss this, seriously. Click the link to watch.